I'm Heidi Four, an investor with 55 rental properties. I bought just enough properties to pay for a big life for myself and others through passive income. You probably come across properties all the time and wonder if they'd be a good rental. Today, I'll share with you 2 apps you can use to help you decide which properties to buy. One of the apps is Ballpark Deal, a really simple app where you enter the basic information and the app tells you your cash-on-cash return and cash flow per month. Use this app to quickly screen potential properties. A more elaborate, detailed app is called Deal Check, which gives you even more answers about how the property will perform. Run the numbers through this app before writing an offer. I can share with you the numbers that I want to see when I buy properties. My criteria is A, $300 per month profit, B, 10% profit annually as a percentage of cash invested to start with, and C, 1% of the purchase price per month in gross rent income, or the ability to get to that number after minor repairs and new tenants. Write down what your criteria is for rental property. Write down what your big life looks like that rental properties pay for. Maybe traveling the world, spending time with family, or working at your job because you love what you do and not because you need the paycheck. Then, with some quick math, you can figure out how many rental properties it will take to fund that life. You don't have to work forever. Your job can fund your rental properties, then your rental properties can fund your big life. All you need is a plan and the courage to take the next step. I'm Heidi Four. I'm a KW Maps coach, and I'll help you do it. Just go to buyrentalproperties.com to get my free videos telling you the exact 14 steps to take and websites to use to have financial freedom through owning rental properties. You can be a successful real estate investor by implementing the advice you get in my videos like this one. You can fund your big life with rental properties too.